IJP is more than just a job board. It's a space where you can find your inspiration, where you'll invent a new future, be empowered to drive innovation, and bring fresh ideas to your work. IJP is the next stop on your career journey, a chance to join passion with ambition. For something more than a new job, it's the chance to jump into a new chapter. IJP is a window into your next opportunity with Prysmian. Discover a new career path, explore new possibilities, and take your next steps towards personal growth. It's your inspiration, your journey, your Prysmian Group. Internal job posting. Where will it take you? The internal job posting is now live at global level. Discover more on the intranet section.